Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I will be showing you how to hand letter with Tombow dual brush pens. If that's something you're interested in seeing, stay tuned. So first, I will give an overview of the markers. I will do some of the basic strokes, and then I will write some words using the Tombow dual brush pen. So the supplies that I'm using for this video are Tombow dual brush pens. I have the Desert Flora set, the Bien Fang marker paper, and you don't have to use this specific brand, but you do want to use some type of marker paper or a smooth type of paper when you're using brush pens. I will also be using two of my lettering practice sheets. This one is a blank one, and this one has some letters that you can practice with the basic strokes. I'll be using the lettering practice sheets as an underlay, and I will lay my marker paper over the top and write on the marker paper. I am currently doing a Learn Hand Lettering series on my channel. I will link that down below if you want to see all of the videos included in that playlist. And in those videos, I go in depth about different pieces of learning hand lettering. So here's the Tombow dual brush pen that I'll be using. If you're unfamiliar with these pens, they are very popular in the hand lettering community. They are, as their name suggests, dual-ended. One side has the brush tip and one side has a fine tip. These markers are water-based, blendable, acid-free, and odorless, and they feature a nylon brush tip that is ideal for hand lettering, watercolor, and more. This is what the brush tip looks like. I decided to pick a lighter color so that way you can see the tip a little bit better. So now I'm about to do some of the basic strokes. When you're doing any upstroke, you want to use the tip of the marker, and then for the downstroke, you want to use the edge here. The Tombow dual brush pen was the first set of brush pens that I bought when I was trying to get started in hand lettering. If you've tried them before, let me know down in the comments. That's why with hand lettering, it's important to practice, because as you can see, when I start writing these strokes, they're shaky, they're not consistent, they're not even, but the more you do it, the better your hand lettering will look. So now I'm about to use this sheet. So I have on here just a few letters in the alphabet. And what I did on this sheet was I basically broke down each letter into the basic strokes that it uses. And just a reminder, I do have a Learn Hand Lettering Basic Strokes video that goes into detail on how to do all of the basic strokes. So in this case, with the B, you have a downstroke with an oval, which would give you this B here. And then I offer a couple different options for creating certain letters. And all I'm going to do now is put my marker paper on top of this sheet and then trace each of these strokes plus the letter. So now I'm going to write a few words with the Tombow dual brush pen. This is real-time lettering. Hand lettering actually takes more time than you may think. I know on social media we have to speed up clips in order to get all of the footage in, but see how slow I'm writing this word? So when you're hand lettering, don't get discouraged because you're not going as fast as what you see on social media. A lot of the times, those clips are sped up. The rest of these words will be sped up. I would classify the Tombow dual brush pens as a larger brush pen. These Tombow markers are my favorite ones to hand letter with. If you're new to hand lettering, consider the different size brush markers that are available. I think I enjoy using these Tombow dual brush pens because I have larger handwriting. So I think that because the brush has a larger tip, I'm able to maneuver it better. If you've ever tried to use these Tombow markers for hand lettering and found it kind of difficult to use, you may want to consider finding brush pens with a smaller tip. You may find it easier to use. This concludes the hand lettering with Tombow dual brush pen video. If you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting the like button. Let me know in the comments which brush pen is your favorite to hand letter with. Remember to check the description box for the link to the playlist for the hand lettering videos, as well as a link to the supplies that I used in this video. Consider subscribing for more videos like this and other art-related content. And as always, thanks for watching.